Hey everybody, Alex Moen here with today's Biz Tech Tips. And today I'll tell you guys how to update your computer system slowly and affordably. So whether you want, the newest, fastest computer, or maybe you need to upgrade a switch or another network item, replacing hardware, it's a natural part of any business that's going to be around for, any significant length of time. So even if you're not looking to upgrade things, having a standardization plan, that alone can have many benefits to your company. I've done a video on it before, but just on a high level, you can get increased security, more efficiency, more effectiveness, just all around there. And if you put together what's called an obsolescence plan, you can avoid having to do one large payment and you can just pay little bits over time. So what you should do, if you don't have an inventory of all of your hardware, you should do that first. List everything out, every computer, every printer, every switch, modem, router, the whole 9 yards, and then also have the purchase date that you have it there as well. And most business computers, they last 3 to 5 years, just kind of depending on how you use it in your industry and what's needed there. Servers are 5 to 7 years. Most other items kind of dance around the 5 year mark, but just do a quick Google search or ask a knowledgeable IT specialist and they'll help you figure out that lifetime value. And then you can sort the inventory if you put it in an Excel sheet and kind of start budgeting and planning and knowing approximately when you're going to have to replace all those things. So not only do you get the full life out of what you currently have, but you can replace just bits and pieces over time. And you'll find this to be a much better and more effective way to do things there. So let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully that was helpful, and have a good one, everyone.